Hi, my name is Ron Paap. I don't know if you need the last name or...
Yeah, let's do it with last name. What is your role here at Dalinghaus Construction?
I am the commercial sales representative for Dalinghaus. My role is to promote commercial business here at Dalinghaus, moving away from the residential side of business. Been in the market for 17 years, selling helical anchors to many different contractors, to include Dalinghaus, until I had been brought on board. Most of the job is going to be foundation settlement issues. There will be an occasional tieback that will address retaining walls with. I appreciate working for the Dalinghaus brothers, basically because they are folks who think like I do, and they are people that when they tell you something, you can take it to the bank. They're just what I would consider salt. Just good guys, solid guys, smart individuals. They've done a very good job here at this business, going for the last 6 years from the two of the brothers to 50 employees, so they're obviously doing some things right.
Absolutely. You've got amazing beers.
That they do. Most important experience that my customers are going to have with me is my forthright, truthful attitude towards getting the job done properly. Family is, I married a strong wife, strong individual. She challenges me, and I fight it, but it makes me a better person. I have 2 boys, 23 and 20, and my pride and joy. Sorry. My youngest, Seth, is just starting college. He just came back from Amman, Jordan, on a youth ministry trip. My oldest is in Phoenix, and he's just been out there for the last 8 months and enjoying the heat. Fun facts, I completed my first triathlon at the age of 47. It was Wildflower, and they called it the long course, which was half an Ironman. And I did it for the Leukemia Lymphoma Society, so it was for a good cause. It was 3 months of training. It was 7 days a week. 4 days of the week, it was 2 a day, so I was either running or swimming and biking. It was extremely difficult, and again, it was a very fulfilling experience.
That's awesome.
Hey guys, thanks for coming along. Hopefully you've gotten to know me through this process. If you have a construction need and have foundation issues, give us a call here at Dalinghaus. We're here to help.